So we give him a budget, say तुम्हारा luxurious suppose 2.7 करोड़ का बन रहा है. So फ्रेंचाइजी हमको 3-4 ट्रांच में पेमेंट करता है, तो उसका 1 करोड़ आ रहा है, फिर हम काम शुरू कर देते हैं ना. इमेजिन बिल्डिंग अप अ सिनेमा ओवर हियर. सो एक साथ बहुत सारी टीम इन्वॉल्व हो जाती है, इलेक्ट्रिकल टीम है ना, सिविल टीम, एकॉस्टिक टीम, तो वो काम फिर रोक नहीं पाते. तो अगर फ्रेंचाइजी का उसका पेमेंट कोई बैंक लोन लेता है तो उसका पेमेंट थोड़ा अप एंड डाउन रहता है. सो इन दैट केस व्हाट, बिकॉज राइट नाउ अभी हम उसका आता था वैसे ही काम आगे बढ़ाते थे, बट अब जब हम वर्किंग कैपिटल में यूज़ करेंगे तो वो वी विल ऑल्सो इन्फ्यूज अवर फंड, जो कि 15 दिन 20 दिन बाद आना ही आना है. सो दैट वर्किंग कैपिटल प्लस विल बी वेयर हाउसिंग फ्यू थिंग्स जो कि एक साथ जाके लगेगा वहाँ पे, बिकॉज वी वर्क पैन इंडिया. सो लाइक आवर सिनेमाज आर इनटू ओडिशा ऑल्सो, तेलंगाना, पंजाब. So that warehousing, our special things will help us in the working capital. And as I told you, projector जो कि एक बड़ा एक्सपेंस है, वो हर एक सिनेमा में हम ही डाल रहे हैं, और अभी हम उसको भी EMI पे ले रहे हैं. तो वो भी विल बाय दैट टेक्नोलॉजी फॉर एवरी अपकमिंग सिनेमा. एंड देन वी वांट टू हैव एन एक्सपीरियंस सेंटर. तो अभी द प्रोसेस इसके फ्रेंचाइजी हमारे पास आता है, हम उसको सिनेमा दिखाते हैं, बताते हैं, समझाते हैं. तो एक एक्सपीरियंस सेंटर बनाना है जहाँ हमें हमारे ऑफिस में, जहाँ पे आई मीन एक अच्छे ऑफिस पे, जहाँ पे उसको सारा आइडिया आ जाएगा भाई सिग्नेचर मॉडल क्या है, लग्जरियंस मॉडल क्या है, प्लस जैसे हमने स्पेक्ट्रा एक्स इन्वेंट किया, राइट. सो उसी तरह से हमें वी वांट टू इन्वेंट अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. सो वी वांट टू प्ले विद व्हाट कैन बी द न्यू सराउंड साउंड सिस्टम्स, दिस दैट. सो यस.
So we are also adding, like the pure air system in the cinemas. Generally क्या होता है, बहुत सारे cities ऐसे जहाँ पे AQI बहुत high होता है, and we want to give like that 3 hours with the fresh air, like because that is a need of an hour. अगर आप लोग दिल्ली या बेंगलोर, अगर बहुत सारे cities ऐसे हैं जहाँ पे air quality बहुत अच्छा नहीं होता है. So we are also adding features like pure air, मतलब filtered airs in the cinema auditorium.
And the capex investment, and are there any debts that you will be servicing?
Debt, I don't think we currently also we don't have any debt, but in debt in our model debt won't require also post this IPO. So working capital going forward, I mean out of this 90 CR we'll be using around 37 CR in the working capital.
Okay. And what is the promoters holding currently, and after the IPO, what will be the promoters holding?
So I mean it started with me and Rahul having 50% equity, and we'll be diluting this 26 around 26, and we have done a pre-IPO round, so which was around 4%. So probably we'll be having around something less than 70% post-IPO.
Great, thank you.
Yeah.
Hi, good afternoon.
This side. Hello. Mehul Dani from FinTech Biz News.
You're welcome to.
Fine, thank you, sir. Which are the top 3 states that are giving you maximum revenue? And going forward, what are the new geographies that you are trying to add?
So Mehul bhai, currently we are in 8 states of India. DRHP, like the mass numbers, we are in 7 states. But after that we have increased another state, which is Andhra Pradesh. So currently we are there in Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Bihar, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, and Telangana. Going further, we are adding, like Punjab, Jharkhand, UP, and Northeast Territory, which are like 7 sister states and 1 Sikkim, brother state.
Which are the major revenue giving states?
So currently, Gujarat and Bihar are like contributing more numbers because we have like good number of screens penetrated across Gujarat and Bihar. But looking forward, we have like number of screens signed up in Maharashtra, Punjab, Rajasthan, MP, and all other states as I mentioned.
You said that you are deploying technology in a great way.
Right.
Can you throw some insights in terms of how you are deploying AI, ML, and other technologies to
Right.
give better efficiency and better servicing of the customers, those viewers who come to your place?
So Complex is not only the cinema chain. Complex is also a cine tech company. We can say we are a cine tech company. जैसे पहले ये होता था ना कि एक टैक्सी कंपनी होती थी, एंड देन उबर हैज चेंज द एंटायर वे ऑफ लुकिंग टुवर्ड्स द टैक्सी कंपनी. सो कॉम्प्लेक्स इज समथिंग लाइक like Uber of cinema, where we are a data rich company. We gather all information, all the data of like customers behavior patterns and their spending patterns through our like POS and the softwares enabled with the Complex cinemas. We also have like AI cameras currently enabled in our auditoriums, where we can we are currently fetching number of head counts sitting in the cinema, and in future we are also trying to tap their reactions over like movie watching experience. So कौन से second में like their expressions are changing during which second, that we are like currently doing R&D. I'll not be able to tell you what exactly how much time we'll be able to get things done, but that spending pattern on the box office and the food counters. Apart from that, like we have seen like as we have seen Southeast Asian countries में Korea, China, Japan, बहुत सारे सिनेमास कन्वर्ट हो चुके हैं अभी प्रोजेक्टर से लेके एलईडी के अंदर, राइट. सो वी हैव इंट्रोड्यूस दिस टेक्नोलॉजी रिसेंटली इन वडोदरा, गुजरात, एंड वी आर गेटिंग अ वेरी गुड रिस्पॉन्स. लाइक अभी तक इंडिया के अंदर DCI, नॉन DCI एंड 2K कंटेंट चल रहे थे, बट इन कॉम्प्लेक्स करंटली वी आर विटनेसिंग like 8K रेजोल्यूशन ओवर द एलईडी स्क्रीन्स. एंड जो फ्यूचर जनरेशन आ रहा है, इट इज़ मोर टुवर्ड्स like AI movies and like animation movies. So we believe that the step currently we are taking for the introducing like the LED screens in the cinema would be a great achievement for the Complex.
We have quality advice. So today's trend, every society, every nowadays real estate you will see, they are providing all kind of cinemas and all. Are you looking at that kind of looking out for franchise of those builders who are high-end builders? Because everything now you're getting it in your vicinity itself. So what are your plans for that?
Sir, Complex are already a neighborhood boutique and the classic cinemas, right? It's like, classic cinemas. It's like China has more than 80,000 commercial screens, more than 75,000 commercial screens. US has more than 40,000 commercial screens. और इंडिया के अंदर अभी we believe कि India must have 25 to 35,000 commercial screens apart from the club screens or the society screens. So there is a catch, like you in the society you don't get to see like first day first show content. मतलब I believe after 60 days or maybe 90 days you will be able to watch this content into the clubhouse or the society thing, where like the content will like no fresh content would be served over there. And Complex cinemas are neighborhood boutique and classic cinemas है. It's like आपके घर से नज़दीक में ही कहीं ना कहीं कॉम्प्लेक्स सिनेमा होगा जो आपके वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस पे होगा या तो कन्वीनियंट डिस्टेंस पे रहेगा, एंड यू कैन इजीली गो एंड like वॉच मूवी. सो हर बार आपको नए लोगों के साथ में बैठ के मूवी देखने का मजा आएगा कॉम्प्लेक्स के अंदर, एंड यहाँ पे आपके पास like the same audience would be repeating at the societies.
How you look at cinemas now? Because cinemas are going, doing business now. OTT platform is also booming. So, and you are coming with a luxury brand like this.
Right.
So, how you look at the business wise?
So, see, OTT is exactly, let me not put it, it's not a rivalry to cinema, because fresh content the first right comes to cinema. Theatrical release के numbers पे ही फिर OTT के numbers आते हैं. So fresh content always will be on the favor of cinema only. And OTT penetration, maybe in metros it's great and amazing, but still in the tier 3 town of India, there is a need of entertainment, and I mean it's not a shared viewing experience. So OTT is complementing cinema, I would say, and it's no big threat to cinema.
जैसे जोमेटो पे आने के बाद में रेस्टोरेंट का बिजनेस भी बढ़ा है. इट्स नॉट लाइक कॉम्प्रोमाइजिंग. सो कहीं ना कहीं OTT इज लाइक वन वे ऑफ watching content or movie. The cinema is the other one.
What assured business you give to franchisee, and what are your plans for them?
So we have around 25%, like the number of screens whatever we have, into that 25% is repeat ratio of the franchisee. So I think that gives the answer कि बंदा अगर एक में से 2 कर रहा है, 3 सिनेमा कर रहा है हमारे साथ, तो we have they have a good earning potential. Normally we commit our franchisees a turnaround return of investment into 36 to 45 months. Few of the cinemas have very aggressive number also, but we can't put it as an example.
So what are your
जितना 15-16 फीट, देखो कोई भी कमर्शियल बिल्डिंग हो ना, उसमें ग्राउंड फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ नॉर्मली शोरूम हाइट होता है. अच्छे बिल्डिंग में 14 फीट होता है, अदरवाइज 12 फीट तो क्लियर हाइट मिलता है. इन फ्यू ऑफ द बिल्डिंग दे इवन हैव 16 फीट हाइट. तो हाइट के हिसाब से स्क्रीन अप एंड डाउन होता है, बट नॉर्मली वी हैव अ स्क्रीन साइज ऑफ अराउंड 25-26 feet, and that's an amazing experience. Within 6 months we have a cinema with LED screen, and that cinema is doing the #1 top line into our all kitty.
My last question to you is Mumbai. How many cinemas you have in Mumbai? Because it's the hub of cinemas.
It's a Mandi over here, and we need to be here. So we have signed up one in Titwala. One is going on. One more signing up is going on at nearby Kulla station, and I think post IPO we'll get a lot of buzz, and we'll be definitely here. Right now we have one cinema in Ahmednagar near Pune. We're coming up with one in Sangamner, Solapur. 3 cinemas in Pune are coming up. 2 in Nasik coming up. So we have good footprint now in Maharashtra.